Okay, problems on dipole, that is 1.9, exercise problem number 1.9. A system has two charges QA 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 7 coulomb and QB is minus 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 7 coulomb located at a points A 0, 0, minus 15 centimeter and B 0, 0, plus 15 centimeter respectively. What is the total charge and electric dipole moment of the system? See here, what is the dipole? Dipole is formed due to equal and unlike charges separated by small distance. Here two charges are equal in magnitude but unlike charges. So QA and QB forms a dipole, but we will represent these 2 points in a Cartesian coordinate system. Okay, this is origin 0, 0, 0, x, y, z. Here x coordinate is 0, y coordinate 0 and z coordinate is minus 15. So here for my convenient I will take here z axis. See, no need to have always that is x axis, no need. I have taken here z axis, I will take it here y axis and x axis will be towards you positive and negative x axis will be inside. But first charge is located at a distance minus 15 centimeter along the z axis. So that's why this is 0, 0, minus 15. Here actually we have minus 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 7 coulomb. Okay. Sorry, this is positive charge is located here. Here we have 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus coulomb charge. And B, negative charge is located in positive quadrant. So somewhere here. So this is 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 7 coulomb negative charge. Okay, its coordinate is 0, 0, plus 15. So first question we have to answer, that is what is the total charge on the system. Okay, total charge means Q1 plus Q2. If you do it, you will get 0. So in case of dipole, net charge is always 0. So for first question answer is 0. Net charge is 0. Net charge is 0. And the next question is electric dipole moment of the system. Electric dipole moment. Dipole moment is always from negative charge to positive charge. So this is the direction of dipole moment. Dipole moment is a vector quantity. So now I know the direction of dipole moment, that is along the negative z axis. Okay. So if you want to calculate dipole moment magnitude can be calculated by using formula Q into 2A. Okay, 2A is the distance between the two charges. Here it is A, this is also A. This is 15, this is minus 15. Okay, negative distance means only direction different, that's it. Okay, now, so separation between these two charges is 15 plus 15, 30. So 2A is now 30. So dipole moment P is equal to Q is magnitude of any one of the charge, that is 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 7 into 2A is 30. Distance between the two charges, that is 30 centimeters. 30 into 10 to the power of minus 2. If we calculate this, you will get the answer. So dipole moment P is equal to, see 0 multiplied with 10, if you multiply with this, you will get 25 and 3, 25, 3 is 75. 75 into 10 to the power of minus 9. Okay, dipole moment unit is, charge unit is coulomb. Distance unit is meter because I have converted centimeters into meter. So this is the dipole moment magnitude. If you want to express this one in terms of a vector, then we will say dipole moment bar is equal to 75 into 10 to the power of minus 9 into minus k cap, minus k. Why? Because Usually in standard notations we will represent the z-axis is a unit vector along z-axis is k cap. Unit vector along x-axis is I cap. Unit vector along y-axis is j cap, we know. But here dipole moment is along the negative z-axis. So that's why I can represent with minus k cap or minus k bar, whichever you can. There is no difference. Okay. Next problem 1.10. An electric dipole with dipole moment 4 into 10 to the power of minus 9 coulomb meter is aligned at 30 degrees with the direction of uniform electric field of magnitude 5 into 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb. Calculate the magnitude of the torque acting on the dipole. That means we have to calculate magnitude of torque acting on the dipole. That we can calculate by using simple mathematical expression torque tau is equal to QE sin theta. So this is the uniform electric field of magnitude 5 into 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb. But the dipole moment of the dipole is given and which is oriented with an angle 30 degrees with the uniform electric field. That means this is the dipole moment direction 30 degrees. Dipole moment magnitude 4 into 10 to the power of minus 9 coulomb meter. Now I need to calculate torque. Okay, torque will act in this direction, remember this. Torque acting on the dipole due to electric field tau is equal to P sin theta. Torque tau is equal to dipole moment is 4 into 10 to the power of minus 9. Magnitude of electric field is 5 into 10 to the power of 4 Newton per coulomb. And angle is sin 30 degrees. Sin 30 we know 1 by 2. Torque tau is equal to 4 into 10 to the power of minus 9 and 5 into 10 to the power of 4 into 1 by 2. Okay. See here 2 1s are 2 2s are cancel. 5 2s are 10. 10 power 1 into 10 power 4, 10 power 5. If it cancels with minus 9, you will get torque tau is equal to 10 power minus 4. This is 10 power plus 5 and this is 10 power minus 9. You will get 10 power minus 4. Torque unit is Newton meter. So this is that.